have Mr. Kusumba with us, the CTO of Beam Telecom, who also heads IP technology at the group level. Welcome, Mr. Kusumba. Welcome to show. Mr. Kusumba, the market is flooded with CRM solutions, and that's not really what the market needs today. The market really requires a solution that is reactive to the elastic needs of the dynamic demand that is actually increasing by the day. And how have you evaluated, based on what criteria have you evaluated your CRM, and what made you choose this particular CRM?
See, we have looked at CRM solutions here when we have started this company. Primarily, of course, we were not a too big a company. We were a startup, and we definitely wanted somebody who can help us out in terms of CRM. So we couldn't have put a CRM like Siebel or something like that. So MagnaQuest was a choice available for us. Of course, we have evaluated about 2 or 3 different systems and finally frozen down on MagnaQuest. When you select any CRM, I don't think so. The way one has to really look at finalizing CRM is not on the basis of how big the company is or what the brand name the CRM has got. But for me, from the technology standpoint, I think what really matters are the 2 important things in a CRM. One is how flexible is the team that has actually developed this CRM in terms of making any modifications for me or customizing the product the way I want. And the second thing, what really matters for me is how fast they can actually deliver. Because CRM, unlike any other software, it's like a heart in your body. If it doesn't work, your entire business is down. So you need a CRM that not only is reliable, 2, it is robust, 3, it is scalable, 4, more importantly, what matters for me is how fast they are able to customize it to my requirement. So when you deploy any CRM in network infrastructure like this, no network is just the same. Please understand that first. Every network is very different to each other. Elements could be same, but processes are different, systems are different, the way you deal with the entire network is different. So integration was definitely a challenge, will always remain a challenge. So if a company is able to react very fast to that particular integration requirement, which as in how MQ did, obviously MQ becomes a choice of us, and that's when we have opted for the product which is called now Assure. So that was the reason how we have opted for MagnaQuest as a company to partner with us in terms of our CRM requirement.
So Kusuma, without a robust CRM, it's commonplace to hear that your system, your service is almost crippled, your business rather is almost crippled. So how would you address this, and how would you make sure that your CRM is robust and in sync with what you want to do?
See, in our case, it's actually a quite interesting story with Shure as a product. When we have initially taken this product, it was actually sized for about 100,000 subscribers. And then when we were just hitting about 80,000 subscribers on the network or 70,000 subscribers on the network, we actually started getting worried, like, if we will be crippled with the CRM not functioning, etc. But honestly, let me tell you, the MQ as a company gave us all the required confidence in terms of support, in terms of action, when we have started raising alarm, in terms of the system performance, that it could go down or reports would not get generated as we add more subscribers and all. Whatever MQ did, they did in the product. And today, if you see in our product, we have 300,000 subscribers in our product, seamlessly handling entire end-to-end product, end-to-end processes. There was no change that was done except for adding few hardware resources. Like we have added some servers, we have changed the storage, we have added a little more of memory and all the servers. We have distributed the implementation into multiple servers. Like earlier we had application and database server together, which now when we started facing challenges or when we were apprehensive in terms of scalability, MQ came forward, gave us a kind of design that the same product will be redeployed in a manner that there is no loss in the database. Two, it is in a distributed architecture. So that particular, these kind of support that we get from MQ as a company definitely matters. And it's actually a kind of a well-proven model today that a product that was initially scaled for 100,000, without changes to the software code, it is now supporting 300,000 subscribers. So probably that explains why MQ and why not any other product as what you've chosen.